So getting a little bit more into the actual data products we generate and this concept of moving beyond NDVI. We certainly feel that NDVI clearly has some value and has its place, but there's really so much more you can do with this very high resolution data that you can get from a drone. So this is just kind of graphically showing you the same plot of ground. It's a few rows of corn from typical resolutions of other imaging platforms. So here is a sample satellite image at 100 centimeter GSD. Here is a sample image of the same plot of ground from manned aircraft at 25 centimeter GSD. Just to explain that quickly, that's ground sample distance. A lot of people might call that resolution, but that basically means that each pixel is sampling 25 centimeters on the ground. And this is not to say that you can't do better than this with some manned aircraft, and others will be worse. This is intended to be just kind of typical. Point being is here is though that you can't see the individual plants, but when you move into this drone imagery at say 1 centimeter GSD, it's not just that this is incrementally better resolution and more pleasing to the eye, but you're into this entirely new regime of remote sensing where what we call the characteristic dimension, meaning an individual leaf in this case, your pixels are now smaller than that dimension, and that allows you to do some very unique things that you're just physically not going to be possible to do with some of these other imaging techniques. And that's really what we're focused on and what allows us to do these other metrics, as I mentioned, that really move beyond NDVI.